Yo, GM, what's going on? Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. This is not financial advice. As always, do your own research. But hear me out. It's not what you do, it's what you own. Buy assets, including Bitcoin, but for your own financial well being. Stop trading hours for fiat currency as your only income. HSRL is a production of Safe New Media. Who this is for? This show is for self actualizers, agents of progress, if you will, making the most of their lives. This micro podcast live stream, the only one of its kind right now, going live on X, formerly known as Twitter, as well as LinkedIn and YouTube. It is not for you if you take yourself too seriously. If you are a seeker, let me be your guide to discover divine and fundamental truth for yourself. Let me help you increase the quality and effectiveness of your life by revealing to you the hidden secrets of the universe. And I have a special announcement on today's show at the end. This show is specifically for those who are seeking new perspectives, fresh ideas, and a willingness to explore new possibilities. My intention is to help investors like you stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of emerging opportunities. Today on HSRL, you're going to think I don't have credibility because I have no credentials. This is my opinion. It's not financial advice. Like I said, as always, do your own research. So far, year to date, the S&P 500 16.8% rally is not an indicator that you should relax. That's the last thing you should do. This is no time to relax. Right now, the current US Treasury yield curve is inverted. An inverted yield curve occurs when yields on shorter term Treasury securities exceed the interest paid on longer term bonds. So, this is an unusual occurrence, but it is happening currently. It's called a yield curve inversion. Okay, this has historically, throughout history, this has been a pretty reliable indicator of an upcoming recession. Since World War II, every yield curve inversion has been followed by a recession in the following 6 to 18 months. Now, the latest inversion of the yield curve occurred in June 2023. Right now, as I'm going live, it's August 15th. The year is 2023. The day of the week is Tuesday. We'll look back at this and laugh at me. So the yield curve it started to invert in June of this year. Okay, several parts of the curve are reaching deeper levels of inversion. Bond investors are increasingly worried about an economic slowdown because right now the Federal Reserve might raise rates a little further. They might not, but they might raise them one more time. Compared to bonds, Bitcoin may be considered a better investment. Here are 5 reasons why. Number 1, anti-fragility. Bitcoin can be viewed as the most anti-fragile asset in the modern financial system. Compared to bonds, okay, Bitcoin is more anti-fragile and bonds are more fragile, okay? He Number 2, a hedge against debasement of currency. Okay, debasement of currency is a grand old tradition where when they used to use coins, kings used to add more base metals and less precious metals. This is called debasement. And the same thing happens with fiat currency by printing so much of it. Okay. And granted, the Federal Reserve has decreased the amount of money in circulation. And now there might be a forgiveness of student loans after all. And so now this money is going to come back. Who knows? I don't know. Okay. But a, a hedge against debasement. Bitcoin may replace bonds in portfolios as a hedge against debasement. Just consider it. This is not financial advice. Number 3, differences in risk and reward. Bonds and stocks have a different risk and reward profile compared to cryptocurrency. Well, let's call it Bitcoin, separate from other cryptocurrencies, okay? And it's crucial to weigh the risks and benefits of each investment. So I'm not talking about meme coins. I'm not talking about Pepe coin. I'm not talking about, not even talking about Ethereum. Although I love Ethereum, I'm talking about Bitcoin here. Okay, just to clarify. Number 4, correlation with inflation. Bitcoin's fortunes are more closely tied to the US real or inflation adjusted bond yield than ever. All right. Now, you're welcome to if you disagree with me, please tell me. Okay, but the two increasingly are moving in opposite directions. All right. Number 5, high yield bond market parallel. The high yield bond market is best parallel to crypto, or let's say Bitcoin once again, not just any crypto. Okay, junk bonds were high risk, high reward investments that provided additional value beyond government and investment grade debt. Now, here's one more reason: potential for diversification and enhanced returns. Investing in Bitcoin might enhance returns. It offers some diversification benefits. Okay, it's volatile. So, therefore, bonds are a more stable and predictable return, right? So you have to be okay with the volatility of Bitcoin. One thing to consider, though, is that bonds are really closely tied to fiat currency, and Bitcoin is a separate. It's more scarce than the U.S. dollar, right? So it's kind of a trade-off. But you know what the safest bet is, in my opinion? Multifamily real estate. Demand for rental apartments increase during a recession. Owning apartments always provides a steady stream of cash flow. You can control how much cash flow comes in because you can raise the rents, unlike other assets. Investors can secure favorable terms and rates because financing options for multifamily real estate investments are always available. There, okay, there's one big reason that Bitcoin does not compare to, right? The tax advantages. The tax advantages to investing in multifamily real estate, Bitcoin can't touch that. you get no tax incentives for buying Bitcoin. Okay, so remember, uh, I'm not talking black and white, this or that, either or. I'm not talking black and white thinking like you have to do this or you have to do that. No, you can diversify. You can do more than one thing as long as you understand it. Over any period greater than 1 year, multifamily has provided better risk-adjusted returns than any other real estate asset class. In conclusion, I just do this live stream for 10 minutes every day. Thanks for watching. By the way, I appreciate you guys. Let me conclude with this. I'm just saying this is what I would do. These are the these this opinion I've come to just with the information that I have. Okay, take it or leave it. You can make your own decisions. That's my time. Got to get back to work. Visit my X profile to learn more. I'm currently broadcasting live on Twitter, formerly known as Twitter. So feel free to, if we're not friends already, come on. Why not? Let's be friends. I'm a friendly guy. And you're welcome to make fun of me. I don't care. Retweet this, leave comments. I don't care if you're making fun of me. Just do it. So visit my profile if you haven't already, if we're not friends already. It's not necessary to follow me, but I follow others who are adding value. It's your choice. Team up with me to bring about serious advancement for each other. The plan is for our community to share with each other the systems, processes, and workflows we are successfully using in order to help each other grow. So, my team and I are looking for property managers, motivated sellers, brokers, and other investors. And I'm unveiling this for the first time today. Investors, go to the X profile of at Inveresta. This is the new. This is not public facing so much, but it is for investors. The new company exists now. Okay, our new company profile is at Inveresta. Also, Methods of Prosperity is a newsletter that I invite you to subscribe to. Anyone is welcome to subscribe. Go to hello.seanallenfenn.com/methods. This is a newsletter for anyone who agrees that success leaves clues, and it's possible to learn from history. So, as I have expressed before, I don't claim to know anything more than anyone else does. I don't claim to be an expert at anything. I am just obsessed and very curious, and I like to learn and figure out what other people did right and what they did wrong so we can learn from history. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know. Thanks for making this the most popular live stream at this hour, broadcasting on formerly known as Twitter, on X, as well as LinkedIn. If we're friends on LinkedIn, I'll circle back with you after this. If you're watching on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, pummel that subscribe button into submission. Hidden Secrets Revealed Live is a production of Safe New Media, unconventional, diversified, global digital media company devoted to the practice, administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, moi. Yours truly. It's definitely not a cult. However, I do encourage you to belong to something bigger than yourself. We're now giving away a membership to become a partner for only $9.97 biweekly. That is next to nothing. you can go to the official page of this show, safenewmedia.com/HSRL. All partners are entitled to receive their own NFT. It's a access pass. Before I tell you more about this, one of the things that is totally irrational that I enjoy doing is music. And the new songs are Web3 exclusive, at least for the time being. Okay, so all partners are entitled to receive their own Inner Circle Deep Tribe access pass for Lens Protocol. Okay, this is an access pass that grants you access to new music. It's not available on DSPs. It's not available on Spotify, at least not right now. These are new songs that I'm working on. I enjoy doing it. Side effects include perfect health, wealth, abundance, success, and prosperity. So, by the way, I'm considering making a special one on ETH. The current one is on Polygon Matic. It depends on your feedback. All right, I got to go. Appreciate you guys watching. And I'll leave you with the latest, most recent collab with Grimes AI. Only 60 seconds of it. You can get download the whole song if you have the access pass. I'll leave you with this song called Automatic Self. Appreciate you guys watching. Share this with somebody. Retweet this. I don't care if you make fun of me. It's totally fine. As long as it's funny, that's all I ask. Is that too much to ask? As long as it's funny, go ahead and retweet this. If you're making fun of me, make it funny. All right, I got to go. I like you, but don't take my word for it. Decide for yourself. All right, here's Automatic Self.
When your intention was automatic self. Causation chains begin with personal responsibility.